Hi Vivek, how are you?
Hi, sir. Fine. I'm fine, sir.
Good to know. First of all, congratulations Vivek that you got placed as a UI UX designer.
Thank you,
So
sir.
please introduce yourself, Vivek.
Yes, sir. I'm Dr. Vivek Paul. I completed my M.Sc and PhD. I'm
Mm-hmm.
from another field I came from. Actually, I
Yes.
completed my M.Sc in 2019.
Mm-hmm.
So, as a chemical engineer, I completed my course and I got a job there.
Okay.
But with some problems and struggles with the interaction with the chemicals, I left the job.
Okay. Okay.
And
Yeah.
I'm a musician too. I'm a music producer.
Oh, that's
I
great.
I can play guitars and keyboard, and I'm a video producer also. So these are my talents. After that chemical job, uh, I joined as a mentor to teach keyboard and guitars to the students in the international schools.
Okay.
So after 2 years, uh, I try to design because I'm a designer. Basically, I used to design a lot more photos and posters for my church and for my post.
Okay.
So that's why I choose to go inside of this designing courses like the Photoshop and Illustrator,
Okay.
the graphic
Okay.
designing also.
That's great. That's
So
great.
later I decided actually I want to go to the software industry.
Mm-hmm.
Previously I learned some coding languages like C++, and Python also.
Oh, okay.
At the
Okay.
time I chose to switch into this IT field. At the
Okay.
time, I got some information about UI UX designing. In an Instagram post, I got some the details about PurpleLane. And later I joined. While I was teaching in my school, the
Okay.
music. At the time, I joined in PurpleLane.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's great.
I used to do like morning to evening. I was doing schooling. At the evening, I was doing these kind of PurpleLane things.
Okay. Okay. Good.
I learned a lot more things. It took 1 year.
Okay, okay. You have been transitioning your career from a chemical to this UI UX field, right? So, what are the
Yes.
challenges you faced while doing this?
Actually, lot more challenges I
Okay.
faced
Okay.
because of some circumstances I crossed. Lot more struggles,
Mm-hmm.
but at the struggles, I didn't lose my faith and hope. Also, I tried. Every time I give my level best.
That's really inspirational. So, how this PurpleLane course actually helps you to crack a job? So, when I say like how the course curriculum is and how the students and mentor interaction is.
Actually, this course completely depends upon the theory and both practical also.
Okay.
So this course will help to a new learner
Okay.
to gain a job, to gain a knowledge. Mainly, I can say this
Okay.
will help to a new joiners or little bit designers. Everyone can handle. Everyone can learn with this course.
Yes.
They can gain a lot more knowledge.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have go through the assignments. After the assignments, we have a small introduction or like just a test which we have, and then you went for projects. So what difference you have figured it out in assignments and projects?
Actually, using that assignment, we learn a lot more things.
Okay.
With that assignments, the mentors also will train us, and the mentors also give that instructions to our projects and our assignments also.
Mm-hmm.
First, we have to finish that assignments. Later, if there is any corrections, they'll try to explain and they'll try to correct us. So that will be good to the students to learn with that assignments.
Okay. Okay. So what type of projects you have worked in projects and how the projects actually helps you to crack the job?
Yes, yes. Previously, I started with one UA project that is actually previously there is a in Bangalore there is an app called Nama Auto. There is an app.
Yes.
It relates to some. It works like Rapido like apps.
Yes.
So it's very special in Bangalore. I try to choose that app to redesign that project, like adding some features to that. I tried like that with that. That is a UI project. That is one of my best project I did.
Okay.
Later, I did UIX project related to I named it as a Grossify. Which is a grocery app.
Oh, nice.
That is a complete case study of UIX.
Okay, that's great. So, When you are
Yes,
going
yes.
for interviews, how many number of interviews you have attended?
One interview only I went in this May 2024 May. I went to Hyderabad as a graphic designer.
Okay.
I completed all the rounds there.
Okay. Okay.
And the last CEO round also there. But they said no. So
Oh.
that is a bad experience to me.
Okay.
I tried my level best, but they said no. Later I tried to. I was trying to search in the Naukri and Indeed apps.
Okay.
With that search, I got this opportunity.
Oh, that's really great. How your resume creation or like portfolio creation actually helps you to showcase your skills?
Actually, for UIX designer, portfolio is very important.
Yes.
To a graphic designer or a UIX designer, must and should we have a portfolio to showcase our works and all those things.
Yeah.
So that's why this PurpleLane course will include these two projects. That is very important to a UIX designer, like a UI project and UIX both will give lot more experience and lot more knowledge about that portfolio. We can build our portfolio with our own skills.
Yes.
With these two projects, those are enough, I think so. These two projects from the PurpleLane will help to achieve a job.
Okay. Yeah. When you're going for interviews, so do you face any issues like these was didn't taught in the classes, or like these questions you cannot expect these type of questions? Did you face any type of issues?
Not more than, but some recent artificial intelligence related questions, some only. But PurpleLane will give all those things which is important to this course, which is important to gain completely. The PurpleLane will give the things. But recently we got this AI is developing.
Yes. Yes.
So that's why advancing topics, if they ask, we have to practice. We need to practice that latest technology.
Exactly.
Kind of things. Yeah, that is our way.
Yeah. That's how like we have implemented Arya, which is an AI mentor. So what type of question, in any question you can ask to Arya, she is going to reply you within seconds. So it's just like an AI assistant that we have introduced for current students in PurpleLane actually. So they're utilizing it really good. So let's hope for the best for the next coming student interviews. Yeah, you went for interview, right? So and you cracked it. So what type of interview rounds that has happened over there?
Basically, it was 3 rounds included here.
Okay.
The first is the general thinking, completely general about the theory and all those things.
Okay.
The second round is they gave me one assignment, one project.
Okay.
Like some design test. Later design test, I got selected in this team. Oh, awesome. After that, last round was HR round. Okay, awesome. So, is PurpleLane course really helps you to crack the job? The skill that you have learned here, and how you feel about that? Yes. It really helps me. Will help to every student to achieve a job, right? Okay, that's good. So, do you want to give any suggestions for students? Actually, suggestions is related to placement. Some people are trying to hoping they are not learning the course properly, but they are fixing their eyes on the placement. Yes. Actually, in PurpleLane, I think there is no placement needed. The knowledge is needed. Yes. The PurpleLane also giving the proper knowledge. We want to make sure that we teach the students in a way like, okay, నేను చెప్తాను బట్ నీకు నేను ఇప్పుడు చెప్పి నేను ఇంట్రో పంపించేస్తాను బాగానే ఉంది నీకు ఫ్యూచర్లో ఒక 2-3 years తర్వాత కంపెనీ మారాలంటే ఎలా మారుతావు that is also we keep in mind and we explain like the LinkedIn, Naukri and different platforms, so all these things, and ఎవరైతే అవన్నీ బాగా నేర్చుకున్నారో they are really doing good, so that's what our goal is. Yes. So any other things we want to discuss? That's all, sir. Okay, thank you, Vivek. Nice talking to you. Sir. You're welcome, sir. Yeah. Okay, see you. Bye-bye. Yeah.